Well,
the Council of Governors has threatened to move to court to challenge the County Retirement Scheme Bill 2014, proposed by Senate Majority Leader Kithure Kindiki if the Senate passes it. Council of Governors Chairman Peter Munya says the bill, which allows Treasury to manage the county pension funds, was unconstitutional, as it was handing over county government assets to the national government. Counties have been lobbying to have their own pension scheme to secure their workers after retirement.
A LAP trust, which is an existing pension scheme, be restructured to be the pension scheme for county workers. And we propose legislation to the Senate to do that restructuring. Now, the legislation we are told now is before the Senate is a legislation that is intended to hand over the management of a new scheme that they want to create to the National Treasury. And we are saying that is unacceptable. If it goes through, because we cannot prevent the Senate from doing legislation, if it goes through in the current state, we will have no other option but to challenge it in court.
Munya was irked by the fact that the bill, which had been withdrawn to allow for further consultations on the thorny issues, was reintroduced without the input of the Technical Working Committee, which had proposed a raft of amendments. Speaker of the Senate, Ecuadoro, noted the governor's concerns, saying the Senate was seeking a consensus over the pending issues, adding that if a proper legal framework was developed, corruption would also be dealt with.
We realize as the people's representatives, our job is to create just a framework. It is the rest of you to make the necessary interventions on that particular process. So I don't want us to come here thinking that you are coming to rubber stamp our proposals. That's not the nature of a legislative process. We have come here to give you our findings, our recommendations. It is your opportunity now to also give us further recommendations on the same.
I'm Angela Wamboy for Capital TV.